give you a little daily dose of encouragement. You know, as we've been on this quarantine here in Georgia, we don't go to the restaurants yet. We just made that conscious decision that we're not going to do that right now. And because we are at an age, we're older, and we want to make sure that we're not around big crowds or anything like that, even though they've got it where restaurants you can pick up, which we've done that, and they have you know, where you can sit 6 foot apart or whatever, and they've got booths that are marked off, and we've driven down and seen restaurants where they have benches, and benches are marked off where you can't sit down. So we've seen a lot of things, so we made that decision, you know, that we were just going to continue to do what we're doing. Luckily, and blessed I am, that I love my husband enough that I enjoy being around him. It would really be bad if you're with someone that you didn't want to be with. And that's happening, I am sure. That being said, that's not what the subject is about with this video. When you get up in the morning, you get up, you take your shower, you get out of bed, you get out of those pajamas, and you dress every day. Dress. If you have to just put a little bit of mascara on, or a little bit of lipstick, or a little bit of liner, anything. What is your self-worth? You are going to be the most depressed person in the world. I promise you. I know I giggled then, but I don't mean it's funny. It's just that you've got to have self-worth. Get up. Take your shower. If you take your shower the night before, get dressed then. Be sure to brush your teeth. Wash your hands like you've never washed them before. Anytime you open up a mail, wash your hands. Anytime you go to the doorknob, wash them off. Just be very, very aware. But this whole thing...
I'm not sure I understand.
I don't know why my watch went on. She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand. I am not cutting this out. I'm going to let you hear that on this video. But your self-worth means so much. You're going to feel so much better when you get up. When you get up in the morning and you look in that mirror and you brush your teeth. The hygiene of smelling good and feeling good and have that, as I said, self-worth. What are you worth? If you have something that needs to be washed, wash it. If you need something to be straightened up, straighten it up. If you're living in clutter, clean it up. Now is the best opportunity that you've ever had in your life to get things organized. I promise. It does make a difference. When you have a project and you know that you've got to do it, if you got something in your office, or if you've got something in the bathroom, or you've got it underneath the sink, after you get up, take that shower, get dressed, do something productive. You say, well, I don't have a lot of energy, I don't feel good, believe me, I know what it is not to have energy. I know what it is that when you are totally so fatigued, you can't feel like you can put one foot in front of another. I know what pain is. I know what chronic pain is. But I have to have my mental adjustment. When I was in my early 20s, I had to have a mental adjustment that I'm going to do the best I can, be the kindest I can, have self-worth. Get up every morning. I know I've been sick, and I got up, took a shower. I felt so much better. I maybe wasn't 100%, but I felt better. So make yourself feel good about you. Maybe someone else doesn't make you feel good about you, but you can make you feel good about you. So you make it a great day, a happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Remember, but get up. Get going. Keep moving. And you'll feel better about yourself. I love you guys. I'm sending you a hug. I hope you feel it. I hope you feel this energy that I'm trying to give you a positive day. And you can go and you can make it. Make it. You can do it. We all can. We're in this together. We all can do it. Until tomorrow, I love you. Do you feel it? I hope so.